doing here?
Lois Threlkel. This is Marlon Medrano. Hi. And we are here at the Real Estate Investor Club meeting. And Marlon does notes. So I asked her to spend a couple minutes explaining what's notes.
I actually do tax sales, is what I do. Delinquent tax sales.
She doesn't do notes.
I don't do notes. I'd love to, but I don't do notes. I do tax sales, delinquent tax sales in Ohio, and I'm an out-of-state investor that helps other people make the leap into investments.
And how is that an investment?
So the great thing about tax sales is that it gives you a unique opportunity to invest in an asset at significantly less than market rate. So you're able to come in for what they would call pennies on the dollar and acquire an asset with equity built in, allowing you to take advantage of different exit strategies for that specific property.
Fantastic. So what would be an example of an exit strategy?
So the great thing about an investment is that you make the money when you buy the property, because that'll open up different exit strategies for you to be able to what we call dispose of the property. So you can either do different things. You can either buy it and put it on the market just as is with a turnaround sale. You can flip it, which is you buy it, fix it, create equity, force that equity in value, and then sell it. Or you can do a rental, right, which is called, I don't know if you've heard the BRRRR strategy, but a rental is where you buy it and then you go ahead and fix it and then find a tenant to go ahead and get rental cash flow income from it.
The BRRRR strategy. What is the BRRRR strategy?
The BRRRR strategy is actually a popular strategy to help you build a cash flow portfolio. So what the BRRRR is you buy it, you renovate it, you then rent it, you refinance, and then you repeat. And this is how a lot of investors will build up their cash flow portfolio.
Fantastic. And
I'm glad I got that acronym right.
I know.
Yeah.
BRRRR.
Yeah.
So you buy, rehab, or remodel.
Yeah.
You rent it out. Then you refi.
Correct.
Hopefully cash out refi.
Absolutely.
Repeat.
Yeah, that's the whole point of the refi is what a lot of people don't understand is that when you tap into that equity, you are basically getting tax-free working money, right? So what you're doing and what we advise our clients to do is that when you refi, you take out as much money as will be covered by the rental income. So you want to make sure that either you net or you cash flow positively at least enough to cover all of the expenses, and then that's the amount of money of the loan that you'll take out to turn around and do it again.
Fantastic. So if you, let's see, you help people do that, is that right?
Yeah, so I specialize in out-of-state. I'm here in California with Lois, and my portfolio is in Ohio, and I've built a team out to support out-of-state investors and all of the things that come with that.
And if somebody wanted to find out more about this, can they contact you some way?
Absolutely. If you want to even get, to have a beginning conversations of what it means to be an out-of-state investor, please feel free to contact me. You can actually check out my website at bluemapache.com. It's blue-mapache.com. Or you can reach me directly, 323-310-3777.
Fantastic, Marlon. The Blue Raccoon.
Absolutely, that's a good translation. Thanks so much for the time.
All right. Thanks for spending time with me.
Absolutely, thank you.
Bye now.